What's up guys, welcome to Devil's Crib. This channel is going to be an unboxing, reviewing, vlogging and gaming channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Fidget Cube, so let's get right into this. So, this is a Fidget Cube. It's got quite a nice box. Quite nice. It shows the different things on the side here. So, this is a cube that stops you from fidgeting. I can't even say fidgeting right. So I'll come back to you when I've opened the box. So I've opened the box now, guys. This is what came out. The box is over there. So it's got a joystick. Let's go and get the box over here. What did it say it had? So click. This is going to be the click. I presume all of them click. Nope. This one clicks. Okay, these three, I think these three. These two are pressured here. These three are clicky. So next is the spin. This is the spin, guys. I think it's supposed to spin. Doesn't really do its job, right? Well, I suppose it is new, so might probably needs a bit of wearing in. So this is a spin. That's a spin, guys. It does spin. It does spin all the way around, like this. It goes all the way around like that. But obviously not. Obviously needs a bit of braking in. The flip. Oh, I bet this one's going to be my favourite. I like flicking light switches. So, oh yes, it sounds exactly like a light switch. Oh yes, this is my favourite already, guys. Okay, so that's the flip, like a light switch. Or like a click of a pen. So, next is the glide. I presume it's this. Wouldn't be anything else really. So, it just slides. So here it slides. Yep. And does it? I think I've seen a few videos on YouTube. Yep, it pulls out. Just go like that for some reason. It does kind of stick for some reason. That's a bit weird. But you can forgive that. So that's the glide. Next it's the roll. These gears here, they spin. One spin's really good. The other one spins kind of good, and the other one hardly spins at all. One's like stiffer than the other. So it depends, like, if you like rolling a pencil between your fingers like that or something, like I do, I think these would be good for you, because it feels like a pencil. So, that's the roll. The last one. Focus. There we go. It's focused. Breathe. Wait, no. Oh, I've missed one out, guys. Sorry. It's this one as well as a roll. It's a ball that rolls. Clicks. Okay, it clicks as well. So this one would be good for me because it's not my favourite because the Switch is my favourite. But this one feels nice if you're angry or something, just go and rub that one. Right. That's the roll. Breathe. Presume this is a breathe. Oh, that feels so nice. So this one, I guess this one's for if you're annoyed, because it's like you can rub it really hard, and it feels really nice. So that's the fidget cube, guys. Put it back in this box over here. So that's the fidget cube, guys. You can use it if you fidget in work, class, or home. You can use it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and review. And like, comment, subscribe if you want more. And see you guys in the next video.